Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 3 Power App Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make Power App in just 5 minutes from OneDrive Excel. And also, I want to show how to add drop-down list in Power Apps. So let's just go to make.powerapps.com. As you can see, I have opened make.powerapps.com and I have also opened OneDrive. So you can see on my desktop there is an Excel file. This is nothing but my Excel file where I have my data. So it is customer service detail. So this is your table 1 this is the table 1 which I am just creating to Power Apps to do work on it, and I'm naming it as table 1, or maybe I will write model. Then for the problem type, it can be the problem types are specific. It can be your servicing, it can be break related issue, it can be speed related issue, it can be others. So what I'm going to create here is a drop down list for problem type. So I'm creating another table for drop down list. So let's just name it as drop down. So I have made 2 tables. So make sure this is a grand rule. We have to make table in Excel to do work in Power App. So now let's just go to OneDrive to upload our Excel file and maximize from here. Let's just go to OneDrive and upload the file. As you can see, I'm uploading my file and it will get uploaded very soon. And this is make.powerapps.com. So I have my data and this is successfully uploaded. I have uploaded my Excel data in OneDrive. I can access my OneDrive with the Excel Online. Let's just click on Excel Online. I have clicked on Excel Online and now I am on the page to create Power App. So let's just see. Now it is asking me to start with your data. I have my Excel file on OneDrive for business. I can select phone layout. So now it is time to select the file, Excel file, and then to select the table. So first I'll create my Power App with the table called model. There we have all our variables. Let's just connect. As you can see, Power App is doing work for us. It is working on how to display the data. Let's just see. If in case we need to customize a bit, we can just do, and then we can save and publish our app. As you can see, my Power App is ready. I have model name. There are 3 screens in Power App. This is your browser screen which you are seeing right now, and this is your gallery screen. This is your gallery. And if you just go to this detail screen, this is your detail screen. If you want any modification, we can do that. And this is the edit screen where you will edit your data. So here's, you see there is no drop down. We will add drop down in this, and we will also change the name of the header because it is not looking good as only the name model right here. So let's just go to browser screen and edit it fast. So instead of model, I don't want model to be here. I want it should be written service details, and done. Service details. Let's just see whether name is changed or not. Yeah, it is changed. So let's just go to now detail screen. My detail screen is looking good, but I don't need model to be here. I again need display. These are the display of the data, and then I can edit my screen. Now in the edit screen, I also need to change the name, edit detail. As you can see, I have changed the name edit detail. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a drop down. I'm deleting this card. Let's just first unlock it. I've unlocked it, and now I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to insert a drop down from input section. As you can see, I have done. As you can see, I have pulled my drop down a little bit down from this layout, and now I can just deal with this error. Edit in formula bar. Now you can see it is asking for the text value. I'm going to make it default. then you see one error has gone. Now I'm going to deal with it, and I'm going to, now this is a data card which is looking for that value. I'm going to give the name of this drop down, that is called dropdown 1. Selected dot value. Now you can see my error has gone. Now I need to add data in this drop down. So how to do? Let's just go to view and add data source of my table 2, which I have in my Excel. So OneDrive for business, and let's just go to this OneDrive, and I have my Excel right there, and I will choose the problem type table. I'm in drop down. Let's just connect to it, and I have connected with this table drop down. Now I will select my drop down. I'll write in the items, I will write drop down. As you can see, it is successfully done, and there's one error coming up. Let's just see. Drop down selected, drop down dot selected dot as you can see, my error has gone now. So I can select my data. As you can see, I have write in this the data card, I have written on the update item, on the update I have written this formula dropdown dot selected dot column. So you can also add your drop down like this. So now let's just preview our app. So this is your browser screen. Now let's just preview our app. So this is service detail, and this is the mechanic assigned to this model, and then you can just add on your data like this. Let's say I'm assigned mechanic is say Sanju, and bike model is your Honda City. Let's say bike model is your Honda, cost is your 2500, and customer name is Sanjay, and customer phone number is 8956666, and problem type is your servicing. Now let's just add this item. As you can see, I have added this item. This is Honda. So now just what I am doing right here is just editing this. I can also edit it, and as you can see, I can do any change depending on my customization, and then if everything is fine, I can just go and publish my app on the file menu at the top. As you can see, file, it is asking me to the app name. I can add service detail app, and I can select any sim icon for it, and I can just give a description. I can give any description to this app. Let's just say service detail app. I can just save it. So now you can see I'm saving my app with the service detail app's name in PowerApps. So this is how you can make your first app in just 5 minutes, or maybe just little more than that, and you can just share it in your organization or maybe out of your organization. And there's a all version which you can see. Let's say if you again come back to the Power App and you do some changes on your app, and you can just see all the version lists right there. So this is all about adding drop down and creating a Power App from our Excel data. In the next video, I'm gonna show more about Power App. So if you like this video, please do subscribe our channel, and stay safe, stay healthy, stay tuned.